Good day, guys. You're welcome to today's exposition. It's nice having you around again. Today, we are taking Proving the Divisibility of Numbers, the same series we've been taking. And today, we are taking Testing 6. We've embarked on this series over the past couple of lessons or classes. We've taken 2, 3, 4, 5, and right now, we're about to take 6, which is the fifth series. So, before we go into this, what are the things we must have for 100% understanding of today's exposition or today's class? So the first is we need basic division knowledge. As you said, is very important. If you're just joining this, if you're just seeing this very channel for the first time, you need this. The next you need is 100% concentration. So what's the logic for today? Today's logic is quite different. Today, don't forget that if you look at it, 6 is 2 times 3. So 2 and 3 make up 6. So for you to get a no, or for us to get a no, if 6 will divide a number without a remainder, it's very, very important for us to get to know this logic. This is a logic. Now, the logic is this: 2 and 3 have to be used to test a given number to be divided by 6. If they both perfectly divide such a number without a remainder, it means there won't or there would not be a remainder. But if one of them gives a remainder, then there will surely be a remainder. Now, what are we trying to point out here? Or what I'm trying to bring out here? For you to get to know each 6 to divide a number without a remainder, you need 2 and 3 to test such a number. If 2 passes the test, that is, if 2 divides the number without a remainder, and 3 also divides the number without a remainder, it means there won't be a remainder when 6 divides such a given number. But if one of them gives us a remainder, it means there will surely be a remainder. So let's look at a couple of questions. Test for the 3,110 divided by 6. When 6 divides 43110, will there be a remainder or not? The first thing we have to use is we have to use 2 to test. The first thing we have to use to test is 2. Now, how do we get to know if 2 can divide a number? If you are just joining us for the first time, I would love you to go to the very first session, the very first video that was taken on this for you to understand. For 2, we bring out the last digit. Let's see if 2 will divide this number. 2 in 0 is 0, no remainder. So 2 passed the test. Now let's see if 3 will pass the same test. Now, how do we get to know if 3 will divide this number? You can go to the second video on this very channel. Justice was done to this in the second video. So how do I get to know if 3 will divide a number? The next thing you have to do is add up the set of digits, add up all the digits for 3. 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 over 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 in 9 is 3. Wow, no remainder also. So 2 and 3 both pass the test. It means there won't be a remainder when 6 divides this very number. So let's confirm if our test is correct. So you're going to be carrying out a one-on-one division, as you know. Don't take 2 digits at the same time, 1 digit at a time. 6 and 4, 0, remainder 4. 6 and 43, 7 for the 2, remainder 1. 6 and 11 is 1, remainder 5. 6 and 51, 6 times 8 is 48, remainder 3. 6 and 30 is 5. As easy as ABC. So it's very easy for you to get a no if 6 will divide a number without a remainder or not. You don't even need to ask a friend or ask a classmate while you're working on simplification of fractions. All you just have to do is use 2 to check. Use 2 to check the last digit. If 2 passes the test and 3 also passes the test, it means there won't be a remainder when 6 divides such a number. But if one of them gives us a remainder, it means there will surely be a remainder. So let's look at another example. Test or prove. 5, 2, 1, 1, 1, 4 divided by 6. Test 521,114 divided by 6. So how do we get to know if there will be a remainder when 6 divides this very given number? How do we get to tell if there will be a remainder when 6 divides this very given number. So first of all, we're going to be using our 2. These are our 2 to test. How do we get a no for 2? We bring out the last digit. 2 in 4 is 2. To pass the test, no remainder in that. So let's see if 3 will do the same thing. If 3 passes the test, it means 6 will go without a remainder. So how do we get a no for 3? Out of the digits, all the digits all together for 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 3 in 14 is 4. Remainder 2. Wow, there'll be a remainder. 3 failed the test. 3 has failed the test. So let's confirm, let's divide, let's see if this is 100% correct. So we're going to be doing our one-on-one division, as said. 6 and 5 is 0. Remainder 5. 6 and 52. 6 times 8, 48. Remainder 4. 6 and 41. 6 times 6, 36. Remainder 5. 6 and 51. 6 times 8, 48. Remainder 3. 6 and 31. 6 times 5, 30. Remainder 1. 6 and 14. 6 times 2, 12. Remainder 2. As you can see, as easy as ABC. 8, 6, 8, 5, 2. Remainder 2 over 6. So it's very clear that when 6 divides a given number, there will be a remainder if one of either 2 or 3 gives us a remainder. So yeah, it's what you have to try. Try this out. I'd love you to do justice to these questions for me and leave your answers in the comment section. So test 723,150 divided by 6. Let's try to see. Let's see if there'll be a remainder when 6 divides this number or not. So the last one you have to test. All what I just want you to do for me is to write for me if there will be a remainder or not. I just want to see if there will be a remainder or not. That's just all I want. So at this point, we're going to be drawing the curtain on today's exposition. Thank you very much. See you in the next exposition.